Kerala has declared as Visit Kerala year 2015, that is commencing from April 15th to next year March. April 15th is the day of Malayalam New Year. It's called Vishu. So we are celebrating this New Year from Vishu, and the campaign will start, the tourism campaign will start from April 15th to next year 15th. As part of this campaign, we are intensifying our promotions in Europe and USA and other which are our traditional markets. We are trying to strengthen our traditional markets, and we are also looking at the development of the new markets. Mostly last year we have received almost all 1 million foreign tourists, out of which 50 to 55% people came from Europe, and 10 to 15% people came from USA, and 10 to 12% people came from Middle East. We want to strengthen our markets in China, Japan and Korea. We also want to develop our cuisine, Kerala cuisine, in a great way. We'd like to have food festivals in Delhi, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Kolkata, within the country, and abroad also. We are planning to propose in London and New York. We are, as a part of this, we are trying to help the industry by mentioning some kind of tax incentives, and also trying to reduce the tariff in the hotels. We are trying to have a dialogue with the hoteliers to reduce the tariff during the off season, and we are also in touch with the airline people to reduce their traffic substantially to attract more tourists into Kerala. We are developing new destinations, the beaches and the backwaters. Now already Kovalam is on the international tourism map, and if you see, Bekal was not at all in neither the national nor the international map 15 years back, but now Bekal is the northernmost of Kerala. This is one of the most important destinations for domestic as well as international tourists. So similarly, we would like to develop new beaches within the 700 kilometers of the beach line that we have, and also new backwater destinations. We also have wildlife destinations coming up. We have the deep interior forest is also being developed to great extent. So for this, we are inviting investments. For that, we are constituting Tourism Investment Promotion Board also. Going ahead with the classification of Ayurveda centers. Right now we have a government Ayurveda hospitals, and we have private Ayurveda, mostly in the resorts and the hotels. There are certain Ayurvedic units which are private units in a small level, but there is no classification as such, which we are going to do. We will give some qualitative conditions, and also we go for scientific classification of Ayurveda resorts. Yeah. If you see Kerala, it is I think the greenest destination you can ever see in the world. In fact, if you want to inhale oxygen, pure oxygen, you have to come to Kerala. Yes, pollution at the destinations, we are taking keen interest in checking the disposals of the plastic disposals and other related pollution thing, because there's something called responsible tourism which we have taken up, for which we have won an international award also, where we are involving the local bodies into this. We are involving the local people, we are involving self-help groups in this, in checking up the pollution elements and any other ailment which is disturbing the tourism environment there. We are involving entire local body and the local population in this. We are using electronic media, we are using print media as well as the digital media. We would like to intensify our campaign in the local languages. For example, Arabic language in Middle East, and German language, Portuguese language. We want to use the digital as well as the print media in the vernacular language. We are in touch with their ambassadors in India. We are in touch with our ambassadors in other parts of the world, and we are telling them to campaign more for the local levels in their local languages. In fact, the greatest ambassadors for Kerala tourism are Malayalis themselves, who are living everywhere in the world, and we are in touch with the Malayali associations, and they are the people who are really doing great job as an ambassador for Kerala tourism.